If you want to set up sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, you're gonna scroll down to your modes and routines. Find your sleep right here. That's what we need. So first, press OK if you're doing it for the first time and press start. So now we have to set it up. So let's set up on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We can choose the time, right? The amount of time on which we want our sleep mode to work, right? You can choose your alarm sound and turn it on and turn it off, like, right? You can set a wake up alarm, vibration, pattern, snooze, and alarm background. So now let's press next. Also, you can set up a do not disturb mode to avoid distractions in this mode, so choose whether you want to use it or not. Let's press use it, press done. Now let's press next. You can also choose what to do in sleep mode, so always on display, grayscale, dark mode, uncomfort shield, sound mode, and volume power setting. Then press done, and basically that's it. So to turn it on, simply press turned on, and now it's on. Easy as that. To turn it off, simply press here. Also, you have a fast way to reach your sleep mode without setting your settings. So simply swipe down from the top of the screen, find your mode, step here, press sleep, and your sleep mode will be instantly activated. And basically that's it. To deactivate it, once again, tap on it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.